about to end the video, and I decided, no, I'm not ending the video because I'm enjoying this car too much to give up now. There's more roads to conquer in this neighbourhood, and I'm going to conquer them because I'm enjoying driving this car so much that it would be remiss of me to end the video early. It really would. I mean, you know, it'd be nice if these cars let me out, but no, they're not. So I'm going anyway, so let's go. Man, this is phenomenal. It truly is fun. Like, I'm even just driving through a village right now at the speed limit, and the car feels just really all kinds of fun. The exhaust being relatively obnoxious puts a massive smile on my face. It really does. It does make me feel like a big kid. You know, it makes me feel excited. Getting in this car and driving it hard, and the sounds it makes, the way that it's sticking to the road, everything is making me just have a massive smile on my face. And that's what you want from a car. Now, some of you might switch off soon. You might go, it's just a guy driving an Accord, albeit a modified Accord, you know, like on some country roads, enjoying himself. And if you don't want to see people enjoying themselves, then feel free. You can switch off now. You can watch just up to this part of the video. And if you've got to this part of the video, well done. I haven't made this video for anybody realistically other than me. I mean, alright, that's a lie. I've made it for the channel, and I do hope that all of you watch it. I hope everybody watches it. But ultimately, this video is about me and my enjoyment of this car in the state that it is now. Now, I've already talked about the mods, the handling mods. You know, you've got your iBack Pro Kit lowering springs. You've got your Progress rear ARB. You've got your ultra racing front top mount strut brace. That's the handling mods. I've got some good brakes on it from EBC, but that's it. I mean, you know, all right, it's got a significant money value to it, but not a massively significant money value, and there's still more I can do. But this car handled so well when I got it. How it handles now is, I mean, this is phenomenal. And I still need to get the tracking done. I still need to get the tracking done, because the steering wheel, when the wheels are straight, is slightly over to the right. I mean, this is annoying. I seem to pick times when I really want to go hard, when it seems to be other cars are around. And in all honesty, I picked this time so there weren't loads of cars around. So it is a little bit annoying right now. But we'll get some road in a minute and we'll be able to live it up some. I'm thinking, let's take a left in a minute and go down the roads that I like to test cars on. A road that I tested this on just after it had its iBack springs on. Let's try that now with the additional bracing, because I didn't have the rear ARB in that. That's how you say it, is it? I didn't have the rear ARB or anti-roll bar on in that video. I just had the springs done at that point. Let's get it on camera right now. Oh yeah, let's go. I mean, this is as self-indulgent as videos get, but it's an automotive YouTube channel. It's about cars. It's about entertainment and the enjoyment that cars can bring you. So, I mean, I could tell a joke. If I'm not being entertaining enough, do you want a joke? Knock knock. Who's there? Cows go. Cows go who? Cows go moo, not who. There you go. There's a joke. Yeah, it's a joke that I can safely tell my almost 3-year-old daughter. It's not a joke that's particularly, you know, oh, Oh, that's edgy. I'm not going to say an edgy joke. Why would I do that? I'd do that in the privacy of my own home, thank you. I mean, just everything is fun. It's just less fun when you've got other people stopping you from going at speeds you want to go. But that's fine, you know, I've got to expect it. And that's just the way the world is. If